Fatwood Friday, everybody. Hope you guys are enjoying. And Red still got these. Had to re-glue this back in. The humidity got to it. No big deal. But definitely got some things going on. Right now I got to fix the flat on the bike. And the wheel kind of went sideways on it, got loose after I rode it for a while on the flat. To get it home, it was not completely flat, but close to it. About half the tire pressure. So I got to fix that, and then want to give a shout out to Penguin Hiker. Missed Tuesday's shout out, so I definitely want to get it in tonight, get that done. And appreciate you guys conversating with me on the car show. You know, EMT Rail Fam, he commented. Tommy definitely commented a couple of times. And like I said, Tommy, get your local clubs together, your car clubs, your VFW guys, get them all together. You might be surprised how many of them would like to cruise down Main Street again. I think it's wonderful to see the old cars out, and even the new ones, you know. I'm a big fan of some of the new mods and stuff that are coming out. A lot of good things going on with the cars and stuff, and always good to see that. Same thing with the bikes and the trucks. I'm a sucker for an old truck. 3-speed on the tree, and I'm good. So tonight we're going to do a Fatwood Friday here. I got some, I used a Smith tinderbox, which I'm gonna have to admit, the one I had a few years back must have been just junk. Because I've got 13 fires going using a tinderbox there, and it's worked out really good. So I'll applaud Smith for that one. And then I got me some Missouri and Georgia Fatwood shavings in there. Then I got me some chunks of oak that we're gonna cook on. And we're gonna warm up some corned beef hash for supper using Fab Creation stove. So thanks to Ron T. Sawyer, and thanks to Bruce at Fab Creation. You guys should go talk to Bruce's channel and get you one of these stoves. I'll put links below to everybody that was mentioned in the video, and let's get this going because I'm hungry. And this stuff is burning quicker than I anticipated for sure. So hopefully that'll catch pretty quick. And warm me up some of this hash, and I can get supper going. So happy Fatwood Friday, y'all, and have a good weekend.